After operation, our mothers stay on average for 3 to 5 days before we discharge them. And we have very clear instructions that we give after the operation. One of them is ensuring that there's good hygiene. Remove the strapping after 24 hours so that the patient can actually bathe. We also encourage them to start moving, or immediately if we feel the legs are now okay.
Yatakite be arai mama Ajengetait dare ejok buni aibos ibore mam ejok.
After 3 months, we assume there is complete healing. Our mothers can do some little garden work, they can do the house chores, they can lift some weights, but someone has to be cautious to make sure they do it according to their comfort.
Emron yatakite be adwa beru kere na Ajengetait koku arai bonati duwe ibusakit ai search nota.
We talk about care of the wound, not apply anything. Some of them can be taking the medication, but they don't start applying other chemicals from the village to those wounds. So still they introduce infection to those wounds, and the wound becomes very fragile and opens up.
Emron ongara yatakite be etapita ngoronu Ajengetait adumunu na ningosha kaulo atwario adakis.
We can get complications if the mother don't follow instructions. Some of these complications are immediate. For example, if the mother begins doing heavy work after maybe the first 1 week, you can actually have the stitches give way, so you end up with what we call a burst abdomen.
Isniko kiti dokito ngala itungai search aitosomi keka imuroklu atagoro karaye kotosikesi angaliu.
Then we encourage them not to use other herbs or other medications to apply on the wound. The wound should only be cleaned with clean water, clean soapy water to clean the wound, just like any normal cleaning that we always do. So we actually emphasize hygiene. And also on top of that, we have to ensure that we receive their antibiotics on time while in the wards.
Koto makiro nukauru ebala dokito ngalebe epedoraberu apotunu akaulo na ikare dupetekatu tubet arai bonati yare na arai edumuni Ajengetait ke daures edau angaliun.
If mother can take 18 months from the time they deliver to conceive again, then they stand a better chance of actually upholding the next pregnancy.
Angoro nuwe jengutere iduwe kesapotu isinyiko kisinu changoro aitu aichoreta imurok karai ekotu sikesi angaleu na itekora.
Tunene Ajengetait ibongo jorengi na aswamne pol egweta kini borengi da porengin. So egweta kina porengin ogeni borengi na butun odumuna abulon.
When you are operated, you have to follow what the doctor tells you. You have to take the drugs in time. You have to make some exercises, not very hard exercises, but just some simple exercises.
Itijenari tembono ngara ebe iduwe lu ipesulu ejase kiding na ikartu muna kanya peitoni akesare kesetere kina keda Ajenyo narai edidingi itulin. Iyata kitebe angoroda lu ikara kesoni kanyikuju arwe kinositulin kanu awul ibore etere kinartarai keda Ajenyo.
Age is a risk factor, cesarean section, extreme of ages. For example, very young mothers have an underdeveloped pelvis, mostly before, a very adequate pelvis for around 22 years, then it's fully developed. So mothers who are less than 20 years mostly always have an underdeveloped pelvis. And also mothers who are above 35 years have a high risk of actually having obstructed labor or failure to deliver, because with age the bones around the pelvis become a little rigid.
Kanuka TV East, Rebecca Mungin,